can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele, oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele, oh, yeah. Tobalo, go, macho, yeah. Tobalo, go, macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro, kacho. And if a boy feel macho, make him nigga red like.
Every single day I must look after my skin. I must make sure I cleanse, I put a serum. Man, did you chocolate day one chocolate, then this nonsense happens. This son, there needs to be a halfway. We need to meet each other halfway. I quite look Lena.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Michelle. My name is Michelle, and I'm 4 years old. Never listen. It's okay, Zano. You must take a video of me. You must take a video of me. Zano, there are your fingers. Not there. Here. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Marisa and we are in the kitchen. So that is a Sassy. Say hi. Then go back to me. Follow me. So I'm going to a practice. And I am the greatest girl in the world. Love it. Just perfect. Wanna tell us? My name is going to
Yeah.
Told me I'm someone. Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Godly way. Close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Godly way. Close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to be with Satan and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you mean for me. It's all Holy Spirit sitting me. God, I'm asking you for clarity. You told me. God told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Told me I'm.
to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to us, and if you are a regular, I appreciate you so much. My name is Moshe and I create lifestyle content in the form of vlogs. Welcome back to another weekend vlog, guys. Well, I think it's going to be a weekend vlog. I don't know, we shall see. If it goes up, it's a weekend vlog. Yeah, welcome to another weekend vlog. I'm currently thinking amagwinya, and then after that I'm gonna cook. Well, I'm gonna cook while I wait for amagwinya, and then also I'm going to, after that, I'm cooking so early. It is currently, let me show you what time it is. It's currently 8 minutes past 1, and I'm gonna cook early because at 4 o'clock we have a door-to-door campaign, ATM, so it's around the area, so I have to go there. And yeah, I just have to make sure, because it's my turn to cook, that I leave the house having cooked. And yeah, let's go, baby.
empty livelisikhomba sawuplane zonke izinto zakho ngolwesibini kuthiwe kunento ethile weekend basenditho abantwana bayafuna ATM, we say no to illegal gambling.
Guys, we are back from what was meant to be a door-to-door. We actually did a clean up. Sana, not nice at all. But I'm back, and we were having chips for dinner, and I'm watching Wanaka. She's live. So yeah, guys, it was a proper day, man. It was a proper day. Didn't finish them though. We turned some of it. Oh, when they're queen. Oh, okay. Shame, at least something we did. Yeah, Shame girl. Oh, girl, she did something, man. Like, you must say nice things to people when they do nice things. Yeah. Yeah, so Umava actually bought us chips nesonka for dinner. Well, he says his girlfriend, our sister-in-law. I don't know if it's a girlfriend or potential sister-in-law. I don't know. Something along those lines. But yeah, she bought us chips in nesonka. But the only thing is right is that I was taking a cold drink. I mean, ucimba out chips nesonka some sele amans but anyway, it's fine. Yeah, siyabulela sikho lapho mama. Oh, umakoti wakhona umthengele yena iAquel. Thina uthe nje sawubona sawusela amanzi. Wow, son. She wants to be treated like a sister when she comes here. Mantombazana. Anyway, guys, I just came here to let you know that I'm back, and this is the end of the vlog for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Definitely tomorrow. It's another day, guys, and I'm waking up to see us vlog, and I'm also cooking his food. Okay guys, I'm finished bathing or dressed. This is my outfit for the day, and then we're gonna bath the kids, and we're also gonna bake and cook. I'm trying to do everything before 4 o'clock because 4 o'clock I'm going live. I know you guys will see this when I have already gone live, but my plan is to go live every single weekend, whether it be on a Saturday or on a Sunday. So please do turn on your notification bells, and I will keep you updated. Bye.
Oh friend, I wish you knew the measure of the love Jesus poured out for you. There's no end to what God can do. Come see it firsthand, His promises are true. And I need Him each morning. I have come to know the peace that He bestows deep down in my soul. In every moment, surrounded all alone, when all creation groans, I will sing of how could we hope for what is already seen? We ourselves grown inwardly, as eagerly we await to be adopted as God's children, redeemed. And by this hope we have been saved. But who can praise God from the grave? So we will rise upon that day, glorifying your name above all names. I need Him each moment. I have come to know the peace that He bestows deep down in my soul. In every moment, surrounded all alone, when all creation groans, I will sing of hope.
Thola UBC sis. Mama. Story. Pangetan. Sa. Ini sudah. So after an hour, I'm still going to bring it, and then after 15 minutes of the video, I'm going to go for the pen. Currently watching. I don't think this is that good. Now watching much. So it's currently 3:15. This is what it looks like. Show you guys at 3:30, 20 to 4. Oh guys, The muffins are coming out so nicely. Look at, well, not muffins, kids' cakes. The kids did well. Oh, guys, I'm having lunch. Last time I ate was at 7 when I was eating spaghetti. I'm so hungry. Like, I'm even shaking. I don't know why I do that to myself, guys. All the time, I wait till I'm shaking in order for me to eat. And I don't know what I'm thinking. So it's that, and I'm also making tea. That's what I like to do, guys. There's this cup. Someone is breaking my mom's cup and she's going to freak. She's gonna go mad. Anyway, guys, I'm saying I like to warm up my cup and then like the telamans achisayo and then do a treat like what do they say in English? Spill. I think it's spill the water, yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna pour hot water, spill it, and then pour my ingredients like my coffee, my sugar, my milk, and then pour hot water after I've reboiled again because I feel like it makes the tea hot for longer. I don't know. I just do that. Anyway, let me continue on Dimple's Live. I'll chat to you guys. And this is how it looks after it's currently, what time is it? This is the time. Oh my word. Yeah, this is the time. And this is Dimple. Yeah. This is how it looks. So now I'm gonna put it on here. And guys, our stove is no longer working. This one. It like I think say Cartel Shame. It just the electricity trips whenever we try and switch it on. So now we cook and get a stove. So don't be surprised when I am by the door but there's a stove because we don't have anywhere else to put it. But yeah, this is it. And there you go. There you go. Nice and pretty. Yes. See, your hands must be like this. Okay, not this part. But your hands must be like this. Oh, Ovin's right here.
Soften up the mess. Dropping at the daughter, father, and the she'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning through identity, revealing another pretty little
Okay, guys, that was it. I burnt my bread, and they are laughing at me on Ausbex's vlog. They're laughing at me because now I was busy speaking Sutu/Tswana on the vlog and I forgot the soka sam. All the time I'm smelling something. I'm thinking, I mucha muffins. Guys, God, it's my bread. I want to show you guys my bread. Whoa, guys. Ihaba. Well, actually, ihaba, guys. Like, it's really burnt. Like, really bad. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. And then I will run back home. Let me first go back to Sis because I asked her a question and she's got Instagram. Let me first go back. Then I okay, it's fine. Let me just walk with the phone. I think that's the best option because I'm gonna miss it in the show. But yeah, let's go see the bread. Guys, when a pot is like this, you can tell just how burnt something is. Yo, it's on guys. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. Jesus, look at this. Guys. Yo. Shame. I don't know. So they put it outside. sonke samsuku. Into nizonibetha yona nina. Ufuna ntoni phandle? Ngena endlini. Guys, I'm not one to normally show this side of me on the internet, but these kids, they will give me a headache. Son. Imagine one didn't go to school for 3 days because she was sick. Go to Puma Panda and like, why? Yo, man, police. Anyway, let me go back. We are here. This is Betty. If you are not subscribed to her channel, I'll link it down below. In fact, I think I've so far linked down everybody's channels. I'll just mention them as well. Oh, pretty pains. Oh, I shouldn't have said like that.
Abang hakana yo aishe kubalingren akwa Msuthu mara bana ba Msuthu ba ke bana ba bomme na ke batli monna wa mme awa yo.
Okay guys, this is the end of the night.
Yes,
Ngokulenqayo wena ena shamani uzoduma kabi ngoba uhleli usenza izinto ezirong ngokuyithupa. Now kuyabhakwa laphayana. Wena futhi guys, anijongeni unokubhizi emfana sisam kodwa ubhizi yalenca nijongeni ningitshela ubani ujola nento enje Tombi guys, guys, I'm gonna put a picture of her dad here. I want you guys to tell me utakafani naye kaya uzama usitata mdala wambi ngizama ukumitsho yeah uhle njengaye into kaloku wena ngamanye amazwi uzama usitata omdala wambi uqona loo nto xa usithi wena umhle and awufani naye cacile uba uthi mliye kaloku just because you are a girl doesn't mean awufani naye. Guys, I'm going to show you a picture. I swear she really looks like him.
I'm fun, guys. Morning guys, it is the second day of the vlog and we are making breakfast. And I'm watching Johanna Manchu. I don't know if it's Manchu or Manchu, but I think it's Manchu. Ubana zani tell breakfast? Oh yeah, can't kaloku girl. Can't every day it's me breakfast, you gololo. No.
Who's the biggest sister?
No. It's Asati.
Who's the biggest
It's
sister?
Asati. Asati is our big sister.
No.
Yes. She gives big sister vibes, guys. That's why we say she's our big sister, because she's always shouty. She's always like big sister vibes. AP. AP.
Ukonke futhi uthe soka sami simnandi sithe sinjalo. Yo umntaka mama Shem unayo inyani. Unayo inyani. Umntaka mama unenyani guys. So, just because it smells doesn't mean it's not nice. But it's just like how ulusu doesn't smell nice, but it's nice. Okay? Okay. So yeah, we'll talk whenever. Yeah. Today I think it's another live marathon. Chem, the live went so nice. Hey. Hi, can you say yabona nje manje kule part nje abantu ababukeleyo sebeyibukele already kaloku angayi edit ngizoyifaka next week sendithithi uba next week ofika kule part bazobe sebeyibukele. Yes guys, let me make Zano with big slow talk. This is my bread, but guys emakhaya bayasipheka sonke sinje guys. It's not like no, it's not excuses. Konke emakhaya bayasipheka sonke sinje umbhako ubanje umbhako ngezantsi uyatsha. Kaloku ba ugwede ungawugweda nawe lona umgwedele. This is my friend guys. Yo, I'm never doing live dipheka. Never ever again. Yo. Going to you safe. As always, on brand, baby, on brand. Guys, I feel like I've lost weight. I don't know if I was vlogging at the time when I was wearing these pants. I'll show you guys a picture, but they fit so much better. Oh, I'm so naughty. Anyway, we've changed the setting of our bedroom, guys. I can't show you because Asat is getting dressed. So. But I'll show you guys. The only thing that we need now is paint, because Payana, you see there's that thing, it's not dirt, it's like a stain, so we need to paint it out because I don't think it's going to be cleaned. Yeah, oh, I look pretty actually. I didn't realize but I look so pretty. I need to take a picture for my thumbnail. Guys, I just came back and I'm over 30 minutes late. Well, not over, just 30 minutes late for Makado's live. I'm so happy and proud of her that she actually went live. And I got my baby girl. Love her. And then I bit my... Yo, guys, my nails are terrible. Yo, they look terrible. And then I got... For school, I can't take these out because they're gonna see them. And then when's that name? Musa, don't be mean to my child. Something. Guys, please be kind to me. Please be kind in the comment section. Yeah. Because now I got to believe you. Miss Malika. Miss Malika. Guys, please be kind in the comment section.
Kulo nyaka kuvotelwa ATM qha qwaba